mu can oforiata no afa mo na NDC for si plaza afa no mu si adan ebra JM time na cement ye wan si di no NDC for antumi ansi dan and now woman almost see cement boy dey no and no more na NDC for si dan Ghana for ye no wo ayen hwen na sa de ye omu ye bi try ye 2008 mama mani na ho
so who kwa ya na sise kwesi owe wire no. This is
but that's the funny picture to if you know be hu no. Look at him. This was under JM. This is Okudzeto Ablakwa under JM. Obi anhwe.
And see as a kwesi owe wire.
Okudzeto Ablakwa under JM. Sometimes no economy ni ye, na JM economy ni ye better. Mo obi ahwe na we yalefo. O sise eyi apoto bibire. O sise domo yesi ni wadurom. Kwase akwa. Gyimifuo we no nyina na Ghana for ye man ye ho kwan man krofo we betina na omu Gyimi. Chairman, look at him. You can see he's hungry. Chairman, look at his face. Chairman, and now for the current picture too, and the Kufuado bad economy, and the Kufuado economy in yeno. For good at picture too, no be anjebi. Fatu penny correct picture fatu the announcing me penny latest. Na fatu side and side. We are now the same and feed the aba. Mahama no kura so fani the abra. Onu aya president to kura no wachi. Ekufa wache. And that's why I fresh. Okudzeto Ablakwa. And now strap clear and ne body now.
Oh.
And that's all. And this for food soldiers said Gyimifuo na mama dad amono. Man wo dey akala na ba. Oh no. Why you slim jire ni now? Why fresh boy say we pass here we up president here. Wait. Somehow. Ebra na JM wo ho no. Mu picture. Ebra na JM te so no mu ne picture. And now JM knew where come about no. Confess Sam George so the Ebra. Sam George father name him say ne hu etan yankasa. Sam George. Chairman usia na o te say bo. Chairman mi do nyame usia oh. Chairman Jamamin kama sem chairman jai na. Me say usia Sam George ya wo. Usia na why say bo. Unim case 5. Ghana case 5 dia all the boy na dey chine no. Sa na Sam George.
Yeah.
The body, the skin, discoloration, basa. If you see him, or you see him without the makeup on TV, you run away. Because you're too way to the jail. Now, seven. Oh, dear, Kufuado attempt.
Oh, can you imagine?
Gyimifuo way to the jail. No, dear, Kufuado attempt because politics are here for Ghana. Chairman, behind you. For second one, the brand after Yanko Green Book. But you should Green Book no roadside nebra. But one kasa currency. So one go road boys. Any fra mine for eba beje. So what you say? A ton no srenia basa. Usika no obetna ho.
Of course not.
Would the money stay?
So I live in America.
You are spoiling your own currency. And you people try to twist this thing to make it look sad. The president said something bad.
Bro,
you will never hear any
American tarnishing their own country or say anything bad.
Never. You will never see them do that.
You will never see anybody.
You will never see America do that. Some question Uncle Bronze, Uncle Chucha got one so and fancy say I have you in New York. Japan won't say we are not patriotic.
We are not patriotic, bro. We your problem. I'm telling you, man. We have a long way to go.
Okay? Fact is fact. Okoka, na chairman, pokwasi interchange. Chairman, yen na ye ni ho. And a Kufuado aban ba ye. Omuko renegotiate ye. Eye bibia for us now instead of 3 no away 2 tier, yan 3 or 4 tier.
Exactly.
Isn't that it is us? It took 36 months for it to be built. So 36 months, no, not your mama on your president to say, hey, mama project.
I know.
How?
John Muhammad the Kotubu so yes, because he wanted to chop the money.
Like I still don't get it.
As usual, he wanted to chop the money. Me say he does that. He want to negotiate for that money to do something, but then he want to chop the money. That guy he's a criminal, bro. John Muhammad, you a criminal. Guys, you guys should wake up. Wake up, I'm enjoying my life.
Chairman, JDM no, or will be papa or the Bama Ghana or America. Yamisano, and then okay. One can say 4 years is too small to make any change. Isn't that what he said? He said the 4 years is too small to make any change. Yamina Mekan, and this is for Mumabumi, and Yamina Mekan, JDM, the what in America. Meaning, Sanawe, Ebiano and Nomakatra, a journal dear.
Seminar can say, oh, John Funo, or your John Funo, because
he is indeed Ojan Funu.
I dream be a knitting. The guy is.
He is indeed Ojan Funu. He know why he said he's Ojan Funu.
Every time this guy come out to speak, be not so bomb, but then the Jimmy said, when a Kufuor speaker, you can't even make a joke out of it because he always speaks sense. Yes,
sense.
When this guy speaks, I know you did not tell me, when a Kufuor speaks, Master, who even put your joke out of it? Now you call this a president. We say, hey, you guys should bring him to Bollywood, boy, where he's from. No, Uncle D president or Ghana.
We are Bollywood for Pram when your papa. Now, when I say, I about me, I call Bollywood one. Mese Bollywood for Pano, Bollywood boy for say we disappoint you. Now, if you say you no person over and getting drunk or person over.
Hey, see me who you be almost say after 2024, no, he should kill her up our own kuno. They don't care. Nothing is in a catcher. No, almost up our own kuno.
Chairman, listen me a dear way. Minti bida, me chairman, minti bida say. Ye ni na ayeka. Terminal report any kind. What's it?
See me trouble wa ha. To make a be I don't know.
Oh, chichabi nyashi. Me dey chichabi nyashi, chichabi mame. Chichabi mame. But na China one na near champon. A champon you go chichabi and to kan kwasi asem. We no when chichabi and kan kwasi asem. But chairman, let's get serious. This girl is out there talking about we are shifting the goalpost. Let somebody tell us, say, the reason why we are shifting the goalpost because when JM and his Atamils picked up the government, some more running on, not cement here 9 CD. Chairman, some of this publication now, not cement here 9 CD. Almost not cement at 31 CD in the city and 35 CD at the outskirts.
Yes.
Yes. Or by fan the single digit to your chairman, 9 CD, or buy not cement 9 CD. Oko baby 8 CD, Oban Kraya 8 CD, Oka Bontia 9 CD, 10, 1 yana Kesia 10 CD.
Yeah.
And or the back call, or the back call 35 CD and sand over free wako. Or buy na sabi, Sikado do anaya boy, Kaya Bonaya 9 billion. Oh, free Sunia over 125, 135 billion because when we did the rebates, we saw say a place like Commander Sugar Factory, chairman, they told us it was $32 million. It's a lie. Now you're $35 million by Alan Tremantin, the trade minister, gave us the breakdown. So what you say? The count was 116 billion. Last year, yes, I'm asking. Chairman, 116 billion. And all this also.